Today we are going to discuss how to solve the numerical problems in rotational spectroscopy. So this is the first numerical problem. Calculate the reduced mass for C12O16 molecule. Now remember that when you approach any type of numerical problems, then you write down your answer in step by step. Means first you have to write down the given values, then write down the formula, and then put the values in your formula. You will get your final answer. So let's see. So here first we write down given values. Here in this problem, the molar mass of carbon and oxygen is given. So first we just write down molar mass of carbon atom, which is denoted as M1, that is 12. You also write down molar mass like this, MC, M1 or MC, okay, and it is given in gram. We just consider the molar mass, it is in gram. Similarly, you have to write down molar mass of oxygen atom, that is M2, and it is 16. You write down MO instead of M2. The molar mass is considered in gram, okay. So the first part of the numerical problem is complete, that means given value. Now the second part is formula. So in this problem you have to ask the reduced mass, okay, and we know the formula of reduced mass is nothing but mu is equal to m1 times m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into 1 upon n, where this capital N is nothing but your Avogadro number, okay, which is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, okay. So given is written like this manner, and we know the formula here. By using this formula, you have to find out the reduced mass, okay. So just put the value of m1, m2 and n in this formula, you will get the final answer. So mu is equal to, now m1 is nothing but your mass of carbon. You can also write down MC, it's your choice. You can write down MC or MO instead of M1 and M2, okay, it's your choice. I have written here M1 and M2, okay. So the M1 is nothing but your mass of carbon, which is 12 into 16 divided by 12 plus 16 into 1 upon 6.023 into 10 raised to 23, okay. So if you are using a scientific calculator, then you will get directly answer within one step. If not, then just go step by step. So 12 into 16 is 192. 12 plus 16 is 28 into, if you solve this term 1 divided by this one, so you will get 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24, okay. In the next step, if you solve 192 divided by 28, so the answer will be 6.857185 71 into 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24. And finally, if you solve this term, so you will get 1.138 into 10 raised to minus 24. The answer is in gram. So this is the answer in gram. Okay, so it is in gram. Okay, if the answer is written in terms of kg, so in terms of kg, we just write down the standard equation of kilogram. That means 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, and our answer is here in gram. So we have to convert the gram into kg. So it is very simple. Just write down like this. 1.8. It is just for your understanding. Okay, 1.138 into 10 raised to minus 23. It is in gram. So in the right hand side, the unit is same, gram. You have to find out the kg here. How many kg? So you just cross multiply these two terms. Okay, so 1 into 1.138 and divided by 1000. So you will get the answer like this. 1.138 into 10 raised to minus 23. It is in gram. Multiply with 1 kg divided by this one, divided by 1000 gram. Okay, here gram and gram get cancelled out, and the remaining is 1.138 into 10 raised to minus 26 kg. So the answer is here in kg. Okay, so this is what your final answer. Okay, so it is in gram and it is in kg. If you don't have any scientific calculator, then with the help of your Android mobile, you also solve this type of calculation. That means the exponential terms, how to take the exponential terms in your mobile. Okay, I will just show you within a minute. Okay, so with the help of your mobile, so this is a image. When you open your calculator in your mobile, then this type of screen is shown. You just simply first write, you just click on the left hand side of the bottom. You just click and then you will show the E symbol. Okay, first you have to click here. Okay, and then you will see the E symbol. Okay, after that you just write type 1 divided by 6.023. Okay, instead of 6.023 into 10 raised to 23, so neglect this term, that means into 10. So instead of this, you just write or type e, that means this into 10, and simply write 23. Okay, so directly it will show the answer 1.66. so it is again e raised to e minus 24. That means you write down like this, 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24. Okay, so in your scientific calculator, don't write down as it is this term. You just use the e function here. Okay, so in this way you will get your answer. Now again, the final step calculation here. Similarly, you can also write down here 6.8571 into 1.66. don't write into 10, just simply use this e function, press the e and continue it minus 24 as it is. So you will get directly answer like 1.1382. Now here is e minus 23 means this e means into 10. So you write down like this 1.382. E means into 10 raised to minus 23. So this is what your final answer it is in gram. Okay. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much.